do you mean? You have no right to be on my property.
Put your hands behind your back.
No right to be on my property.
Put your hands behind your back.
What? I don't know what you're saying.
Bring your other hand back.
Code 4. I got one in custody. Put your other hand behind your back.
Here.
I'm loud enough for you.
What? This is ridiculous. My wife needs a call. This is her only car. I'm a senior citizen. You people, and I'm the owner of this property. I have rights that you violated. Now you've got.
Do you have a burning permit? Do you have a burn permit?
Absolutely.
What's in there?
In my pocket. Not in there, in my pocket.
Roll to your right side.
I've got another
Bring
weapon.
your knees up to your chest.
I've got a revolver here in my groin.
Okay.
Take that away from me.
Stay
what
right
am
there.
I going to do?
You
Spit
don't tell me
lettuce
what the
you?
hell to do. Shut up.
This is over real estate. You people,
No, it's over you having a
this is
fire
over
you
real
shouldn't. This
estate.
should have been a simple ticket, and you want to be a fucking asshole.
An owner taking care of the. I have
Where
a
is it?
holster there.
Where is it?
It's in my groin. I said I have a holster. Oh, get out of my underwear.
Shut your mouth.
Well, don't you?
You're under arrest. You understand that? So shut up.
Look, it's not that hard to take a revolver out of a holster.
Someone.
Yeah, I got it.
This is ridiculous. You gonna attend?
Do you have
my
any
fire
other
now?
weapons? Do you have any other weapons?
Shut the hell up.
No.
Sir, do you have any other weapons on you? Knives, anything? Guns?
I've glasses. I've a shoelace. I can hang you with it.
All right, well, that's threats to law enforcement. Sit up.
Get up.
Yep.
I'm an old man. I'm 69. How am I supposed to get up without my hands?
We'll help you.
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, sir. Ready? Oh, there you go.
Can you put my glasses on straight, please?
I can do that for you.
This officer was repeatedly told to leave my property. You're all trespassing and you're conspiring.
When there's a fire, there's a public safety concern.
For who? I'm here. I'm taking care of it.
Your neighbors called this. We didn't just
I don't
randomly show
care.
up.
I
So
don't
we're
care.
going to come and talk to you about it.
There hasn't been any fire come off this lot.
It doesn't matter if there's a
Yes,
fire.
it does. Yes, it does.
I don't care. We're going to come and talk to you about it.
There hasn't been any fire come off this lot.
Do you understand how close you came to almost getting f***ing shot? Do you understand that? The minute you reached into that bag.
Do you understand that I could have killed you before you ever stepped on my lot?
Right.
I saw you roll by.
We're done.
I saw
Let's
you.
go.
I saw
We're done
Walk.
here.
Wow.
You people think you're tough. You're assholes.
Where's your burn permit? Where's your burn permit? You live in the village of Pleasant Prairie. Where's your burn permit? That's why we're talking to you.
It's all over a fire. You would have gotten a ticket.
Probably not even that, but now you got to run your mouth.
You ever heard of the First Amendment?
Yeah, but you can't threaten people with the First Amendment.
Pardon?
I'll transport them.
I
Let me
can't
search
do
them.
what?
You can't threaten people with the First Amendment. That's the difference.
I didn't threaten
You did.
anyone.
You literally said you'd use your shoelace to hang my officer. That's what happened. Because you decided to act all hot shit. That's what happened.
Yeah, where?
Stop. Don't even turn around like this. Stop.
If you hurt me in the least, you're done. You're off the force.
Step back. Step back.
What?
9-6, I got a second 32. It's gonna be on a Glock 19. Adam.
So which
You can talk to him. How about that? He's our lieutenant.
Which unthreatened neighbor?
Doesn't matter.
Sure it does. And
Have a
it's
seat.
public.
You can take the report after. You'll be going to jail for felony threats to law enforcement.
I've got keys.
Disorderly
I've
conduct.
got keys in
Have a
an
seat.
unlocked car.
We'll lock it up for you. Have
Well,
a seat.
don't lock my
Have a
keys
seat.
in it.
We'll take the keys. We kind of need those to lock the car, right?
Slow night.
Not at all.
Who's tending the fire?
The fire department's going to put it out and probably charge you for it.
He immediately started John. I mean, leave my property, go away, you can't be here. He picked up the shovel and another garden tool, so they're walking back towards his car.
Okay.
Tell him to come back.
DC. Is he intoxicated?
No. Felony threats, so we have enough. He just needs to go to the jail and get out of my car. 209 PW 95 with 18372 down to the jail.
You people are the problem in this country.
I'm sorry you feel that way, sir.